Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So today we talk about Polkadot. The Akala's new $250 million fund to drive adoption of OST on Polkadot. Akala, a prominent per-chain on Polkadot, has launched a $250 million ecosystem fund to boost the adoption of its stablecoin, OST. The fund will support early-stage startups that are creating applications that have strong stablecoin use cases on Kusama or Polkadot pair-chains. The fund has already garnered significant attention, with big names such as Arrington Capital, Alameda Research, Digital Currency Group, IOSG, Kraken Ventures, Jim Crypto, Pantera Capital, and several others. Grants to early-stage projects. Akala released a press statement stating that the fund will be providing early grants to startups in the Polkadot ecosystem that are working in different areas, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, payments, derivatives, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, utilizing the OST stablecoin. Chief Growth Officer at Akala, Dan Reiser, stated, "The fund is meant to support any team building on any Polkadot pairchain with a strong OST use case, partnership with other pairchains." Akala also announced that it would be partnering with other pairchains on Polkadot, such as Centrifuge, A Star Network, Hydrix, Affinity, Manta, Moonbeam, Parallel, OriginTrail, and Zeitgeist, on the adoption of the OST stablecoin. Akala's DeFi offerings revolve around the OST stablecoin. The stablecoin can be minted by using collateral tokens on Polkadot such as DOT, AKA, KSM, and CAR, which can then be staked for yield. The ASD stablecoin. The team behind Akala realized that an ecosystem of connected blockchains required a reliable and stable currency to power all economic activity in the ecosystem. The OST stablecoin enables users to unlock liquidity from reserve assets like the AKA, DOT, KSM, and CAR tokens. They can also unlock liquidity from cross-chain assets such as ETH, BTC, and pair-chain tokens. OST can be minted by collateralizing the reserve assets, allowing users to earn yield, while also maintaining their ownership over the reserve assets. The OST stablecoin was launched on 9 February 2022. At the time, Bet Chen, the Akala co-founder, had stated, "Building the native, decentralized stablecoin of Polkadot and Kusama has been at the heart of Akala's work for over 3 years. It is fantastic to see this group of pair-chains and funds coming together to grow the cross-chain ecosystem with OST as a foundational building block." Goals of the fund. While launching the OST Ecosystem Fund, the team at Akala outlined the goals of the fund, stating that the fund will help teams building in the Kusama and Polkadot ecosystem. The fund will also look to grow Polkadot's and Kusama's ecosystem by helping to increase cross-chain activity and also help the growth of the OST stablecoin. Grow support for projects. Any project or team accepted into the OST Ecosystem Fund will also receive support from the team at Akala and partners and supporters of the fund. The team will be able to raise capital easily from industry-leading funds. The Akala's engineering team will also support the projects. Projects will also receive OST as liquidity into the project, significantly boosting the TVL. Make the transactions possible. And last news today, Ukraine government is using crypto aid to purchase critical supplies. The Ukrainian government is purchasing critical supplies including petrol, food and military equipment, using cryptocurrencies donated as the country stands against a Russian invasion. Around $10 million has already been spent. The donations are being distributed from the government's digital wallets, set up by Kyiv-based crypto exchange Kuna, to other digital wallets before being spent, blockchain data show. By Monday morning around $6.5 million worth of Ether had been moved out of a government wallet to the exchange. "We are evacuating people, so we are sending money to buy petrol, to buy food and water for the people who are evacuating. We are sending some money to the local military personnel who can buy some supplies," locally Kuna founder Michael Chibanian told CoinDesk. "The government is also buying drones, heat vision goggles and petrol," he said. CoinDesk has been tracking the inflow of more than $16 million of cryptocurrencies into 3 digital wallets associated with Ukraine's defense against the Russian invasion. One wallet, set up by a local non-profit, had raised over $7 million in Bitcoin at publication time. The 2 others, one Bitcoin and another Ether, set up by Kuna on behalf of the Ukrainian government on Friday, had raised more than $8 million in total by Sunday. Jabanian shared a report on his Twitter account on Monday showing the total crypto support for the government of Ukraine through a variety of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins has surpassed $12 million. Elliptic, which helps track transactions on blockchains, said Monday that government and non-governmental organizations had reached $20 million. The funds were collected as Russia closed in on Ukraine's capital, Kyiv. On Saturday, Western nations agreed to imposing tougher financial sanctions on Russia in an effort to deter the conflict. On Sunday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky agreed to start peace talks, just as Russian President Putin put the country's nuclear deterrence force on high alert. Bitcoin donations raised by the government are being distributed quite quickly, blockchain data shows. Almost all of the Bitcoin collected, amounting to about $4 million, have already been distributed to various wallets. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot N 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.